Yes, students. In this class, we will see the last question of the exercise 3.2. Okay, that is the age related question. We will now solve this question. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. Means 5 years ago they have given the answer. Means before 5 years. If you don't know the meaning of 5 years from 5 years hence means it's opposite of the other one given. When they said 5 years ago, then 5 years hence will become 5 years later. Okay, please remember. We don't know the ages of Jacob and his son, so we'll assume Jacob will be 3 times his son means we know the Jacob says but not son says, right? So we assume let son's age be X years. Jacob will be 3 times that of his son, right? Okay. Let since it's a two variable, we can take x and y separately. Let Jacob's age be x years. Let Jacob's son age be y years. Please do write the units here when you assume x and y, okay? Because it's a age problem. Now, see, 5 years hence they said, right? Therefore, 5 years hence. Please don't jump and start constructing the equation now itself. Because in the age problem 5 years ago means you have to calculate the 5 years ago their ages, then construct a relation. Okay, so 5 years hence their ages will be, see, Jacob says hence means later, so x plus 5 years, then Jacob's son age equal to y plus 5 years. Okay, now read the question. 5 years hence, their ages now became x plus 5 and y plus 5. The age of the Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. So, according to given, Jacob age will be, what is Jacob age? X plus 5 will be 3 times that of his son. What is the son age? 5 plus 5. So, 3 of y plus 5. Solve for it and keep it ready. That is x plus 5, and that means open the bracket. X plus 5, solve means open the bracket. X plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 15. 3 into 5, 15. Take left hand side 3y, that is equation becomes x minus 3y equal to 15 minus 5, 10. This is one equation. Please understand here, it's very important question. I'll say star for this question because it's a age related problem. Everybody unnecessarily feels age problem is a difficult. So if you get thorough understanding, it will be easiest sum. You have to define the ages again and again according to the question, like 5 years later, 5 years ago, 3 years later. Define the new ages, then construct a relation. So this one relation. Now 5 years ago, don't jump. 5 years ago, have the equations for their ages. So 5 years ago, their ages becomes Jacob age becomes, now current age is x. 5 years ago, what it will be is x minus 5. X minus 5 years. Then Jacob's son age equal to y minus 5 years. Okay. Now you say according to given here now. See, according to given, Read the question again. Jacob's 5 years ago, their ages are now we calculated x minus 5 and y minus 5. Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What is the age 5 years ago? Jacob says x minus 5. So x minus 5 is 7 times of his son age. Son age is 5 minus 5. Okay, clear? Now you open the bracket and make the equation ready. X minus 5 equal to 7y minus 35. Take left hand side 7y, it will become x minus 7y, right? So x minus 7y equal to minus 35 plus 5 becomes minus 30. This is second equation. Now I'll solve for this only. So x equal to minus 30 plus 7y. I call this as 3. Second equation itself I solved for x. Now substitute this in 1. Substitute this in 1, we get. Please note that these statements has to be written like this only. So substituting this in 1, we get x means what? Minus 30 plus 7y, because 1 is what? X minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 10. So x minus 3y equal to 10. Solve it. Minus 30 you send it to right side and solve these two. 7y minus 3y is 4y equal to 10 plus 30 is 40. 4 1 ja, 4 10 ja. Therefore, y equal to 10. Since we assumed x and y are years, right? So please, once you get the values, if they have units, please write at the end also. That is y equal to 10 years. Now put this in 3, substituting this in 3, we get x equal to minus 30 plus 7 times of 10 minus 30 plus 70 is 40 years. Conclude the answer. Therefore, Jacob says we assumed x. So, Jacob says is equal to x. What is the value of x? 40. Then Jacob's son says is y we assumed, right? What is the value of y here? 10 years. Okay. Jacob's current find their present ages they said, right? So you can say Jacob's present age. Similarly, Jacob's son's present age. So while assuming also you can write let Jacob's present age be x years. We always assume present ages only, right? We don't know their previous means 5 years ago, later what are their ages. So present age you just modified it. Present age. Here also you write present age. So 40 years and 10 years. Jacob's present age is 40 years. Jacob's son's present age is 10 years. Okay. With this, we are completing the second exercise in linear equation in two variables. Okay. Thank you.